Hi guys, thanks for joining us. Today we are going to be making a rainbow waterfall Valentine card. So all you're going to need is the heart cutouts and piece of black paper you got in your craft kit that you can pick up at the library, a pencil, a ruler, and some glue. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take a heart and place it at the bottom of your paper. Then you're just going to mark the top with your pencil and draw a line straight across. Now we are going to mark on our paper every centimeter. We're going to go below our line that we just drew, and then 6 lines above. Now we are going to take our ruler and then just draw lines straight across. And we're just using these as a guide for where to glue our hearts later. Okay. So now that I have my lines drawn, I'm going to go and make a crease on each one of those lines. Okay. So now we're just going to fold across at our top crease and lay our paper flat. And you're going to take your heart and place it on the paper, and you don't have to do this. You can, it's just easier to glue if you have a guideline of where you're going to be placing the heart. And I just trace the areas in that little stripe that are going to be covered. So I'm just going to go up and do that with each section. As I said, you don't have to do this. You can just eyeball it with the glue, but it makes it easier to not glue everywhere if you have a line, a guideline for yourself. And I'm going to keep tracing. This doesn't have to be perfect, and this is all going to be covered, so you won't see it. Okay. And keep tracing. Okay, so once you have your lines, we're going to start at the bottom of our rainbow. So I'm going to do mine in regular rainbow order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. You can do it whatever order you want. So you're just going to glue in your lines that you just made. You don't need a ton of glue, and you don't want it to be super messy, because then it's going to make your heart stick where it shouldn't stick. Okay, so then I'm just going to put my heart in the lines that I've just drawn and press it down. And if a little squeezes out, you can just squish it up to the next section, because you're going to glue there now. All right, then I'm going to put some more glue down. all of our hearts glued on, we're going to take a small rectangle and put it underneath. You want to go underneath both pieces of paper, and we are going to fold it over. You don't want to do this too tight, because if you fold it really tight, then the paper won't be able to slide underneath. So try to keep this as straight as you can and a little bit on the looser side. Okay, so we're just going to fold it over and then glue it down. And you want to push this underneath your purple heart, or your bottom heart flat. So I'm going to glue, stick it on, make sure it's really on there, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Come on, glue. There we go. Stick it down. And that's it. We have finished our Heart Waterfall Valentine card. If you'd like to add some cool pictures or drawings or messages on your hearts to make it even more special or Valentine-y, go ahead. Show us your finished product. We'd love to see it. Thanks. Bye.